What if when I tell you you can store recipe queues like normal queues? Let me explain. A couple days ago I speaked with a colleague about GrandMA3, recipes, phasers and so on. He has a GrandMA3 Lite, but he used in Mod 2 only. He said that the recipes are cool, but the creation of such recipe queues is far away from any logical and fast workflow. The more I think about it, the more I have to agree with him. I know two ways to create a recipe queue. Store an empty queue, add a new recipe line, assign a group, assign a preset, and perhaps a matrix. Or the second one, in the program parts, add a new recipe line, select a group, preset a matrix, and store it to a executor. So on both ways you have to interact with the touchscreen or mouse, far away from a fast and simple workflow. But I have tell you that you can store recipe queues like normal queues. With this new and absolute free plugin Store as Recipe, you can create recipe queues like the normal one. If you like this content, plugins and so on, help me to grow my channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, make a comment or buy me a beer over the donation link in the description. Thanks. You can download this plugin over my GitHub page, link is in the description. Simply select your group, your preset, perhaps the matrix, and now hit the plugin, not the store button, the plugin, and select the executor you like to store it. We select this and we see our selection is stored as a recipe. How this works? It's quite simple as you think. The plugin transforms your selected groups and preset to a recipe lines in the programmer parts. You select two presets, like dimmer and color. We add the recipe lines. For each preset, one line. Or you select a group that isn't unique. He asks which group you like to add. Simple and fast. And now we have to move to Mod 3. Always happy show.